I'm not your man, baby. No, I can't do what a man should be doing for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a sew-in install. This video is really quick, but I will put more detailed videos up. I had to get this one out my drafts. So here we go. First things first, we're always going to start off with a shampoo and steam. I like to do this because it gives the hair moisture, especially when you've had a previous style up. And once we get our client shampoo, we're going to start on our braid down. Of course, you have to blow dry, but I didn't record that process. My braid downs are always different, but they're always flat and neat. My braid down sometimes just depends on the day. I don't do it the same way every time, but it's always flat. The key to a nice, neat, flat sew-in is to have a nice, neat braid down. You cannot slap 5 braids in somebody's head and just expect it to be neat and flat. After I finish my client's braid down, I like to go ahead and oil their hair and put a net on, but I didn't get that part. Right here, you see me starting on the install. I started in the back. I don't know why I didn't get that, but right here, I just like to start the second bundle at the top, especially if they're getting the middle part, just because I don't really like to flip the first track on this part right here. Just gives a more flat effect, so I just like to start this part off just starting the track right there. And as you can see, it is very, very neat and very flat already. We're just having conversation right here. Me and my clients always have something good to talk about, literally always. So right here, I'm starting to do her leave out. I do like to use a wax stick before doing that, and heat protectant. Of course, we got to protect that natural hair. If you like curls, my best advice is to get layers. Not everyone likes layers, but layers are gonna keep your hair in place when it comes to curls. If you don't like layers, your curls are just gonna be flat and they're gonna fall, and they don't give that it girl effect. And I'm just pulling my girl's hair back so I can just show you how seamless it is. You cannot see a track or a braid in sight, honey, period. I've already started to curl her hair off camera. Right here, I'm just using a 1 inch. I use different inch barrels for each like styles. It just really depends on the day, y'all, for real. But right here, she wanted her curls to last really, really long, like days long. So I used the 1 inch for this look. I must say, like, this install is like one of my favorite installs. Look how good her natural hair is blending with this hair. Like, this is so tea. I just love it down. So right here, I'm just combing the curls out, and I like to comb the curls out with a brush, especially when they're like small curls like this. It just helps you give it that shape that you're looking for. And here is the install finish. Nice, flat, silky. Like, you have to come to me and get a sew-in. If you're in the Memphis area, you have to come and see me. We love this install. I'm just showing y'all from different angles how good it looks. And again, this is not a very detailed video, but I will post more videos explaining different steps. And thank you guys for watching. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.